Hello everyone. In continuation to my lectures on fatty acids, today we are going to discuss about fatty acids reaction. And in fatty acids reaction, we will detail about hydrolysis. So, let's get started. Coming to the introduction. In introduction, we will detail about triacylglycerol. Triacylglycerols are also known as triglycerides. Fats or oils are called triacylglycerol or triglycerides because they are esters composed of 3 fatty acid units joined to glycerol. Fats and oils are the most abundant lipids in nature. They provide energy for living organisms, insulate body organs, and transports fat soluble vitamins through the blood. If we detail about types, then triglycerides may be simple or mixed. Now, what is the difference between simple and mixed triglyceride? If we talk about simple triglyceride, then if all 3 OH group or all 3 hydroxy group on the glycerol molecule are esterified with the same fatty acid, the resulting ester is called a simple triglyceride, but they rarely occur in the nature. A typical triglyceride obtained from naturally occurring fats and oils contains 2 or 3 different fatty acids components and is thus termed a mixed triglyceride. So, this is the difference between simple and mixed triglyceride. Let's understand it with example of a reaction. Here in the reaction, I have taken 3 fatty acids, 1, 2 and 3, and all the 3 fatty acids contain 3 different hydrocarbon chain, that is R, R dash and R double dash. These 3 fatty acids when react with glycerol can produce a triglyceride. This triglyceride is a mixed triglyceride because it contains 3 different hydrocarbon. What are the 3 different hydrocarbon? R, R, R dash and R double dash. Here in the reaction, I have taken R, R dash and R double dash because as I have already discussed that naturally occurring triglycerides are generally mixed in nature. So, this is a triglyceride which is mixed in nature, but if at all the 3 position we can place R only, that is if all the 3 hydrocarbons are similar, then it is a simple triglyceride. I am starting this lecture by introducing triglycerides because triglycerides in a form of fats and oils are present in our body, and the reactions which we are going to discuss, that is hydrolysis, saponification or hydrogenation, will take place on these triglycerides. These reactions will either take place in our body or from outside our body. If they takes place inside our body, they takes place in the form of a biochemical reaction. Like hydrolysis when takes place in our body can play an important role in the metabolic processes, like they provide energy. Or if these reaction will take place outside from our body, like saponification if takes place from outside our body, they form soap. And if we talk about hydrogenation outside from our body, they are used to form fats from oils. So, we have introduced triglycerides. Now, coming to an example of a triglyceride. Here in the reaction, 3 molecules of palmitic acid. Palmitic acid is a fatty acid used here in the reaction. When react with glycerol, form a triglyceride. This triglyceride is known as palm oil. Palm oil, when taken in our body, get hydrolyzed through lipases to provide energy in our body. Lipases are the enzymes used for hydrolysis in our body. Palm oil is a simple triglyceride. Palm oil is a simple triglyceride because all the three fatty acids in the reaction are same. If we can change one of the fatty acid, if we can change any one of the fatty acid in the reaction, then the resultant triglyceride is a mixed triglyceride. Or we can also change two of the fatty acid chain, then it can also result in a mixed triglyceride. Now coming to the chemical reactions. If we talk about chemical reactions, then triglycerides can participate in a variety of chemical reaction because triglycerides are esters. They can be hydrolyzed in the presence of an acid or a base or a specific enzyme known as lipases. Hydrolysis is a breaking of triesters with water to form fatty acids and glycerol. Triglycerides are easily hydrolyzed in the presence of an acid or a base or a specific enzymes known as lipases. The biological reaction in the presence of enzyme takes place in the digestive tract of the animals to give fatty acids and glycerol. The three fatty acids obtained through the reaction play an important role in the metabolic process in the animals. Here in the reaction I have shown the hydrolysis in which a triglyceride, which is a mixed triglyceride because it contains R dash and R double dash, three different hydrocarbon chain, when hydrolyzed with three molecules of water produces glycerol and three different fatty acids having three different hydrocarbon chain. The hydrolysis is a reaction which is also used to make soap in soap industry. This is the hydrolysis which takes place outside the body. The hydrolysis of fats and oils in the presence of a base like NaOH or KOH is used to make salts like soap, and this reaction is called as saponification. Here in the reaction, a triglyceride of a palm oil, when treated with three molecules of NaOH, which is a base, it forms a glycerol and the sodium palmitate. Sodium palmitate is the soap formed by palm oil, and this reaction is also known as saponification. So this is the application of hydrolysis in industries. They are used to prepare soaps. We can detail about saponification and soap in our next lecture. Till then, stay home, stay safe and healthy.